Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit a like button. Now, have you ever wondered which character in Star Trek Voyager was originally intended as a counterpart to Captain Catherine Janeway? Perhaps someone who would embody the same outsider status as Mr. Spock in the original series. Uh, um, as a seasoned fan of the Star Trek franchise, I've often pondered this question. It's well known that almost every Star Trek series since the original series has featured an outsider character, serving as a conduit for deeper exploration of what it truly means to be human. We saw this in Seven of Nine, the former Borg drone who joined the crew in season 4 of Voyager, which Jerry Ryan's portrayal brought a unique layer of complexity to the series, and the crew had to adapt to having a drone on board. This outsider dynamic was reminiscent of the bond between Spock and Captain Kirk. According to Nana Visitor's book, Star Trek, Open a Channel, A Woman's Trek, Jerry Ryan's character was initially created to enhance Janeway's strength, essentially serving as her Spock. This concept wasn't fully explored, which Visitor's book suggests could have led to an even deeper relationship between Janeway and Seven of Nine. Visitor states in the book that although she is not writing Seven of Nine's story for Voyager, she feels Brandon Braga's decision not to delve deeper into this aspect of the character was regrettable. The dynamic between Janeway and Seven of Nine was unlike that of Kirk and Spock. While it did involve a mentor-mentee relationship, their interactions were also marked by disagreements and butted heads. However, Jerry Ryan's portrayal of Seven brought depth to the character beyond her stylish outfits, making the character a fan favorite. Initially, Kate Mulgrew had reservations about Jerry Ryan joining the cast. She worried that the addition of Seven of Nine would weaken the strong character image she had developed for Janeway. Despite these initial apprehensions, Mulgrew later acknowledged her behavior towards Jerry Ryan on set was not ideal. After joining the cast, Seven of Nine's arrival did contribute to an increase in Star Trek Voyager's ratings, but she quickly evolved into a multi-dimensional character on her own merit. With time, her challenging interactions with Captain Janeway not only served both characters well, but also resonated with fans in similar ways they connected with Spock. Jerry Ryan's performance helped Seven of Nine become a beloved figure in the Star Trek universe, much like Spock before her. I must say that sometimes I think I'm half human and half bored, still figuring out this whole feeling thing, kind of like Seven of Nine.